Hello everybody, just got home. In the mood for some grilled cheese. We're going to make grilled cheese sandwiches. I got some Italian sliced bread, some mozzarella cheese. I don't have to make do, it's already shredded, but that'll work. And I got some butter. So we'll start by buttering the bread. Get it ready. Make a couple of sandwiches. Just put some nice pads on pads of butter on the bread. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can also heat the pan up while we're doing this. One more piece of bread to go. I ran out of butter. I'll have to get some more. There we go. Open her up. That should be about it. The pan heat up a little. Loosen up the cheese. Whole milk mozzarella. I think we might be able to make two in this little pan at once. Let that set. Cheese. Just like that. See it? Make sure. One of my favorite things to eat. Very simple, quick, but also delicious. Let it sit in the pan for a little while. Keep checking the bottom every once in a while so we don't burn it. already smell the cheese. The butter on the other side's starting to melt. I'm going to flip the first one. Got a nice little golden brown color. We're going to flip it again after. This one's taking a little bit longer, so we'll give it its time. There it is. It's time to get that golden brown color, what you want. Give it a quick flip. Let you look at that. We'll let that sit for a few minutes. I'm going to add a little extra butter on one side. It looks a little dry on this side. And that should do that. That should do. I'm using shredded mozzarella because that's what I have available. Oh, is that? I'm using shredded mozzarella because that's what I had available. But you could use American or anything you want, provolone, it doesn't matter. This is the shredded mozzarella I'm using. It's whole milk mozzarella. So they're completely cooked on one side. We're just going to give it a few minutes on the other side and then we'll be ready to eat. So I'm going to get a plate ready. And I'll put a paper towel on the bottom because it might be a little greasy. Soak up a little of the, not greasy, but you know, the butter. Let it soak up a little of the butter. I think it's just about done. So we'll take them off, place them in the pan, on the plate. Take the pan off the fire, always turn off the stove. And that's the finished sandwiches. I'd like to thank you for watching.